Hey guys, I know it's been a long while since I uploaded one of these videos. Actually, I've been caught up with a lot of work. So yeah, finally, I guess I found time to get back to the track and continue a session. And I've been having a lot of work these days, so it's getting really hard for me to uh, sit in front of my lappy and then upload the video. But however, I'm taking out time out of my busy schedule to get the work done because uh, I love programming and uh, right now I kind of enjoy uploading all these videos on YouTube. So I'm kind of putting a lot of effort. So if you guys feel these videos are good and if they are informative, you could just uh, lay a comment on the comment section below, or if you have any doubts, you could just post it in the comment section, or you could just mail me at but just enter my mail address and my website where you could just contact me for any queries or anything. And so I've been working with Visual Studio for almost 3 to 4 years. Visual Studio is the best IDE according to me because I've been a Windows fan completely. And last year they had released Python for Visual Studio. So I've been working with Python on Visual Studio. So after this lesson, I would teach you people to move to Visual Studio and code more efficiently and effectively. So this would be the last video. I'd be working with the actual Python shell, and then from next video we would move to Visual Studio. So uh, yeah, so in this video we'll just get started with the input function. So input function is basically like a function that accepts a string. Like for example, you ask uh, your end user for a string or anything that you want to get from an end user. So that's the reason we use an input. In C we use scanf. Uh, in different programming languages we have different getting the the function. I mean, you're getting the input. So that's in Python we would be using input. So how do we use input? It's just simple. You just type input and the braces. So this is the function that we would be using, and this would be uh, asking the end user to enter some value or some name, or it could be anything. Just get the value and store it in a variable. So let's just try that out. Let's just try name. Yeah, so as you see that I just typed the variable name is equal to input, what is your name. So now what happens is now it just asks us the question back where it says what is your name. So let me just type my name as Anmol. So let's my name's Anmol, and if I just click enter, it just gets saved. Where does it get saved? It gets saved over here in name. So it gets saved in name. So now if you want to check what is available in variable, uh, just maybe just pause the video for a second and recollect what I've taught you people in the last three videos. What function would you use to find out what or I mean what would you use to find out what is in the variable name? Yeah, right. So if that's done, if you guessed it as print, then you're absolutely correct. So it's just print, and I'll just type name. There you go. It just shows Anmol. It just prints Anmol. Anyways, my name isn't Anmol. Yeah, it's one of my friends' names. Anyways, so that's how you do it. That's pretty much it with input. However, like I said, everything is just taken as a string. Now, for example, let's say number is equal to enter some number. Alright, so it's asking me for some number. Let me just put 20. So there you go. So 20 is stored in number. Now, the thing, however, is uh, this 20 is a string. So now, for example, let's take so you know that uh, 20 is stored in number. So it's the same when I do number plus 10 should give me 30, or if I do 20 plus 10 should give me 30. For example, 20 plus 10 should give me 30. Yeah, it did give me 30. Now, however, you know the 20 is stored in number, so number plus 10 should also give me 30, but it won't. Number plus 10, this is an error. If you figured out what this error is, because the error is it's a string. The number which you have entered, which is 20, which the input function got it in, that is stored as a string in number. So now for that you need to convert it, then you need to do the addition. So for that is just simple, use the int function, type in the number. Now this number is converted to int, then just give plus and 10. This is what you would be needing, and this you would get final 30. So that's pretty much it for working with uh, input. It's one of the most commonly used methods, so you might want to keep meddling with it and get to know how it works. It's basically a very simple method, and it's one of the methods which one of the most useful methods in which everyone should be familiar with when working with Python. So that's pretty much it. Now in my next video I'll be showing you how to get started with Python on Visual Studio. uh, yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Do you like the video? If you found it more informative, and do subscribe to the channel, because we plan to make lots of videos on the latest technologies and programming languages and mobile app development. We have a team that just got started with it, so we'll be uploading videos as soon as we get time. So thanks a lot for watching anyways. Thank you.